Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by opening your Resolve project and immediately locating the sequence with the clips you want to retime. Select the first clip, then shift-click additional clips or use CMD/control-click to pick non-contiguous items. This groups them for a single operation. Make sure linked selection and ripple options are set how you want them, since those affect gaps and downstream clips. Once done, keep the inspector visible. You'll use it next to set a consistent speed across all selected clips. With your clips still selected, open the inspector and use Change Clip Speed or go to Retime Controls for more visual handles. Type a speed percentage like 50% for half speed or enter a precise duration if you need exact timing. Make sure to enable Ripple Sequence if you want later clips to move automatically, and pick Optical Flow for smoother motion when slowing footage. Once applied, scrub the timeline to confirm timing and tweak individual clips if one needs minor adjustments. Now finalize by rendering in place or building optimized media to preview the retimed clips at full speed. If audio drifts or sounds wrong, unlink audio from video and retime the audio independently or replace it with a stretched clip using time stretch. This preserves lip sync. If you see artifacts after changing speed, switch retime process to optical flow or retime frame and increase motion estimation quality. If problems persist, undo the change, test on a single clip, then reapply to the group.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.